besties, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another hair video. It's your girl Norma. So today I'll be showing you guys how I moisturize my hair while on protective style. I bet some of you don't know that you are meant to moisturize your hair while on protective style. Anyways, let me show you what I do. So first I hydrate my hair with water, and the next thing I will do is to apply my leave-in conditioner, and third step is to apply my hair oil, and again I would use the oil to massage my scalp very well. And I'll go ahead and apply some nourishing spray on the extension to make it look more shiny, and of course I am good to go. Yeah, okay. So after that, I am going to go ahead and style my hair. Kindly watch to the end and see how I styled my hair in 3 different ways. And of course, do not forget to subscribe. I'll surely see you guys in my next one. Bye.
You can bank on it. You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I'll stamp on it. In a private plane, I'll lamp on it. Lele oh, then they call me Bankole. Cause I walk around with the bank on him. Show them Gangnam Style, put the gang on him. Twist my fingers up on a bang on him. Lele oh, yeah. Tobalo ko macho, yeah. Tobalo mako macho, yeah. Nobody know tomorrow. Choro ka choro. And if a boy feel macho, make him lick red like a tomato. If him not dead, then he comatose. No go fumble. As that day comes, as I go, God watch over me, oh Lord. I cannot trust my neighbors. As that day comes, as I go, God watch over me, oh Lord. I cannot trust my neighbors. This kind of things where they make man see ya. And me I understand, so your dad know like me see me, I want make you know, say me there for you, cara. And if not the price be that, I feel like to see ya. I never try it for nothing. This love will make me the dark man shit.